Beauties. What's up and welcome to my channel. Today we have another little sneak peek for Boxyluxe. Today Joe Morton came on and said that nobody really got his hint yesterday about the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but he was just joking because when he moved away from the camera, you can see on the table the larger Boxyluxe box, and on the side of it he has Morphe eyeshadow palettes stacked up on the side. This can only mean that in our next Boxyluxe in March, we will be getting one of the Morphe brushes palettes. Can anybody read the number on this palette? I tried, I enlarged it, and I have it here on the screen. Can anybody make it out? I only have two Morphe palettes. One's old, and one is the Jaclyn Hill palette, so I don't have any of the newer ones. And this one is like a smaller one. If you can guess which palette it is, please put it in the comments. And also, we're going to have that Touch of Soul product. We don't know what that product is yet, but this is our second little sneak peek for Boxyluxe. Please remember the giveaway at the end of the month. It's the James Charles Morphe collaboration and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Please remember to share and subscribe, and if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, take care. Bye.